So hello guys and welcome back to another video. So guys, I thought of making a video on some mysterious topics and things. So I bought a new topic today, and that topic is Bermuda Triangle. Yes, you heard it right, it's Bermuda Triangle. It's the world's most mysterious topic ever. And the people who don't know what is Bermuda Triangle, so what are you doing? Because Bermuda Triangle is the most interesting and the most mysterious topic ever in the world. And in today's video, I am going to tell you a brief information and some mysterious facts and some paranormal activities happen in Bermuda Triangle. So let's not waste time and start the video. So now for the people who don't know what is Bermuda Triangle, so let me tell you in a brief information. Bermuda Triangle is also known as the Devil's Triangle. Why? We will discuss afterwards. Bermuda Triangle is the most frequently used sea route for transportation of things and export and import. But do you know, this route has been closed few years ago. And you know why? Because there are many paranormal activities by some extraneous beings documented by different peoples. And these activities are not normal, these are paranormal. And people are not even people are not known about it, that why is it happening. So now I think you have understood that what is Bermuda Triangle. It is present in Atlantic and Pacific Ocean, and as I told you, it is being closed. So let's discuss that where is it present in in particular way. So first of all, where is it located? Where is Bermuda Triangle located? So Bermuda Triangle is located in Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. And as I told that it is in a triangular way. Means this area, Bermuda Triangle, is present in a triangular way. That is why it is called as Bermuda Triangle. And now as I told you that it is also called as Devil's Triangle. So let me tell you why is it called as Devil's Triangle also. So it is also called a Devil's Triangle because there are hundreds and thousands of theories and mysteries that are saying that there were many planes and many ships which just gone above or on the Bermuda Triangle and they got disappeared. Don't know that they did time travel or they gone inside the Bermuda Triangle. And this is why it was closed because of many sea routes. The ships which were sending never came back again because when they were passing above or on the Bermuda Triangle, they were getting disappeared. And this was the most mysterious thing ever caught by people. And this is not, and some information about Bermuda Triangle was actually hidden by governments and all. They didn't want to release it publicly. But some people who were living near the Bermuda Triangle, means who were actually having their home near Bermuda Triangle, they actually caught that there are different noises coming from Bermuda Triangle, and it is also called as the way of heaven. And but don't know people why are saying like this. So let's discuss about this Bermuda Triangle in more detail. And one of the most mysterious incidents happened in Bermuda Triangle was, actually I made a video on it, a plane that came after 37 years. You can check out my that video. But talking about Bermuda Triangle, so this plane name was MP4. Yes, the plane name was MP4, and that plane just got disappeared for 37 years. And after 37 years it landed on a airport, and again it took a takeoff and gone, and till now it has never came back. So now this flight also is being some people who are actually talking about little mysterious things told that this plane gone under time travel through Bermuda Triangle, because the people who who gone in Bermuda Triangle never came back again. So people were saying that MP4 flight gone inside the Bermuda Triangle because when it landed on the airport, when people some people gone inside that airplane and saw people, so there were no person inside that. There were only skeletons and skeletons. Yes, you were hearing right, there were only skeletons. And people are saying that when that flight gone for time traveling through Bermuda Triangle got disappeared, and because of time disconvolution, this all happened and the person became actually skeletons. Yes. So this was the most mysterious incident, and that flight has never came back again after the last takeoff, which was done in 1980 or something beside that. So this was the most mysterious incident happened in Bermuda Triangle. So now talking about some facts related to Bermuda Triangle, so just hear it. So now guys, I'm going to tell you information about Bermuda Triangle and facts related to it. So let's start. Bermuda Triangle is the section of North Atlantic Ocean of North America in which more than 50 ships and 20 airplanes are said to be mysteriously disappeared. The area, whose boundaries are not universally agreed upon as the vaguely triangle shape marked by the Atlantic coast, yes, of the Florida Panhandle in United States, Bermuda and the Greater Antilles. So guys, actually, as I told you, there were many planes and ships which were actually disappeared after they were traveling upon and above the Bermuda Triangle, which they actually disappeared many mysterious ways. Reports of unexplained occurrence in the region date to the mid-19th century. Some ships were discovered completely abandoned for no apparent reason. Others transmitted no distress signals and were never seen or heard from again. Aircraft has been reported and said then vanished, and rescue missions are said to have vanished when flying in area. Yes guys, you heard it correct. In this line I told you that in many ways there was a flight which I told you MP4 actually vanished, and people never heard it again, which was really mysterious for people, and people really got a little have negative thoughts about Bermuda Triangle and all. And for supernatural causes for these disappearances upon geophysically and the environmental factors are most likely responsible. One hypothesis is that pilots failed to account for the Ionic line, the place at which there were no need to compensate for the magnetic compass variation as they approached the Bermuda Triangle, resulting in the significant navigational error and catastrophe. Another popular theory is that missing vessels are felled by so-called Regu waves, which are massive that can reach height upon 100 feet, which is 30.5 meters, and would theoretically be powerful enough to destroy all evidence of ship or airplane. The Bermuda Triangle is located in an area of Atlantic Ocean where storms of multiple directions can converge, making rogue waves more likely to occur. Yes guys, so this was a short information about Bermuda Triangle. Hope you liked this conversation with you all about Bermuda Triangle, and please fasten your seatbelt for more interesting topics on these topics like Area 51 and all. So please guys, be ready for that. If you liked my video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new, because you will get more amazing like these videos. So thanks for watching.